You think that Porsche guy's doing this?
Okay, welcome to another rice vlog. We are currently 5 cars deep, about to get the El Pollo. Then after the chicken, we're going to go to the bonfire and then finish up some shots from the last video. The sun is out, the sky is clear, the birds are chirping, everything is saying that it's a beautiful day.
All right, hopefully my pulley doesn't fall off this time. So now this time we're actually gonna do the bonfire. Maybe I'll grab the final shots for the video, then we'll just call it a night.
What's that? Oh, it's a Porsche. Porsche. I should have put stripes on my car. What do you guys think? The racing stripes.
You think that Porsche guy's doing this?
That way I can look like that. But then the next question is, what color racing stripe? Should it be red? Should it be black? Should it be purple? Ooh, purple would look nice.
Oh, come on, we gotta get into vlogging mode. On the way to get the food. 5 cars deep right now with the fam. I need coffee, but I don't think coffee's gonna do anything. No, you know what I need? I need all these people to get off the road so we can do some dumb stuff.
Why is there so many people here?
Gotta do some rice activities out here, but you got all these regular traffic people.
Why are we braking? Can you tell me why we're braking? So, what is the reason? There's no one in front of you. If this guy could just not brake every single minute, that would be absolutely wonderful. Let's give space to the AMG so we don't hit him, and then he files like a $1 million claim. I am starting to get hungry, so it's good that we're getting the food. That was a treacherous bump that I was not prepared for. Yay, we made it! We shall vlog again once we get the food. Are you ready?
I am, hold on. Are you ready? Okay. All right, food's acquired. Heading to the bonfire spot for the last couple of JDM shots. Hello?
Do you want to take the freeway or the just go straight?
We can take the freeway so we can go through that tunnel.
Anyways, okay, I was focusing. But we got the food. I cannot give you proof that we got the food, but just Photoshop a picture of El Pollo Loco here. We are on the way now to the beach. Meet our parents at the beach. To the beach. For a bonfire, eating, and then some JDM shots. Doesn't that sound like a fine night to you? Such a fine night. Not fine-ite, but fine night. I don't know if I'm making any sense. No braking, just go.
Let's see, can I do this? I don't think I'll be able to do this. How am I supposed to shift and hold the GoPro out of the window?
Okay, now we're here for the tunnel, but there's traffic. Okay. I didn't have a lot of room. There was 0 room. the bay is getting PTSD from when his pulley came out.
What was that? All right, we're about to pass the location where my belt or my pulley fell off last time we were here. Insert clip right here. What was that?
The CRZ pulley came out right in front of the Dana Point Beach gate. I mean, thankfully everyone was safe in one piece and healthy, so there were no injuries, but right here. It happened right here.
Look, it's right here. I think this is where my belt fell off.
Oh, there's something. Oh, something fell.
Re-insert the clip. Luckily I have this GoPro. And this GoPro is like set to, it can't see anything. Oh man, I can't believe the other GoPro died. But we're vlogging with this right now. Get the boost gauge, leaving the beach.